Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Ivy and I'm a YouTuber and content creator based in Asaba Delta State, Nigeria. And in today's video, we are just going to be talking about maintenance culture. Do you have a maintenance culture? Now, if you want to learn all about the maintenance culture, then please keep on watching. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video because it only takes 1 second. Welcome back, guys. So what is the maintenance culture? The maintenance culture is a culture, a way of life that you choose whereby you fix things to keep them working up to speed. Okay, it can be things around you just for everything to run smoothly in your life. Okay, so you don't have to wait until everything gets ruined totally before you start the maintenance culture. You don't have to, at that point it's no longer maintenance, it's now replacement culture. Okay, you don't have to wait till everything gets bad to replace. If you start by learning the maintenance culture, you will spend less doing replacements. Okay, so what do I mean? Your AC goes bad and it starts making a funny noise. You know you should have it fixed, but you are like, after all, it's still working, it's still cooling, and then you leave it, and suddenly one day something really more expensive than what was wrong with it goes bad, and the AC packs up, and then the AC repairer comes and tells you, oh, that noise it was making, if you had called me, I would have fixed it for 3,000 naira, but now with what is spoiled in the AC, you're going to spend 50,000. Your light bulb in your bathroom gets spoiled. Instead of you to replace it, whenever you want to go into the bathroom, you go and carry your torchlight and go into the bathroom until the day you will fall and break your hand, and then you will have to go to orthopedic, and then you will spend like 500,000 treating yourself. That is when you will know the importance of the maintenance culture. Like your stool at home gets broken and you are like, oh, it's still on 3 legs, the 3 legs is still carrying it, let me manage it, and you are there with a 3-legged stool until the day you mistakenly put something on the stool and it's not well balanced, and then the stool falls and breaks, whatever is on the stool falls and breaks, and then you start crying. Your washing machine is not spinning after washing, and you're like, after it's still washing, I will dry it, bring it out and hang it myself, let me just manage it like that. And suddenly it packs up one day and they say there's nothing that can be done about it, you have to replace the entire washing machine. If only you had called the repairer to fix it when it wasn't spinning. Your socket in your room gets bad. Rather than getting an electrician to come and fix the socket, you prefer to go to another room to go and charge your phone or iron or do anything, rather than getting someone to come and fix the socket. These things just make your life easy. It makes things run smoothly for you. Maintenance culture. Your front door gets bad. Rather than get a carpenter to come and change the door key or the knob, you say, no, we'll be going through the back. Until the day guests will come and you cannot open the door. That day your eye will open. There are a million and one examples. A million and one examples. Your top gets torn or loosened, and rather than you taking 5 minutes and needle and thread to stitch it close, no, you leave it until the day you now wear it and everything will tear zigzag and that cloth gets ruined. There are a million and one examples. We have to learn the maintenance culture, how to maintain things, the easy things. They are not so expensive to maintain, they are not difficult to maintain. It's just that most of us do not have that culture of maintaining things. the tap in your bathroom is broken. Rather than fixing it, you prefer to go to another bathroom with a bucket to fetch water and come use it to bathe in your particular bathroom, or maybe leave that bathroom in its entirety and go bathe in another bathroom. It can be your blender in your kitchen. The blender, maybe you are blending and smoke just suddenly starts coming out of the machine, and then you are like, smoke came out, okay, and you leave it, and the next time you turn it on and it's working, you're like, oh no, I will not go and find out what caused that smoke that day. I'll keep on using it until the day you use it and you will hear a loud bang, and that blender has gone forever. Then you now start saving up to buy a new one, replacement. It can be your kitchen unit. That door is shaking. Oh, you know that it's on its last hinge, but no, it's still closing now. It's still closing now. Until the day you are in the kitchen and the door falls on your leg and injures you, and you end up replacing that, fixing that door, and also treating your leg, spending much more money than you would ordinarily have spent, and you are adding pains to it. Maintenance culture. It is very important. Your gas cylinder is leaking, and in a tiny place so that you can use 1,000 naira, 2,000 naira, they will just seal it for you, but no, you keep on using it. After, if I buy gas, it will not leak out too much now, until one day gas explosion will occur, and you'll not be like, oh, is it that tiny hole that gas is leaking out from? Learn the maintenance culture and save yourself a lot of stress in the long run. I just thought to come on here to share this now, this life hack, because I have been looking at people around me, and men, we don't have maintenance culture. I myself personally had to instill it in myself. When something goes bad, I give myself a time frame and I ensure I fix it. My light is burnt, I get someone to fix it. And these things are not expensive, but they are cheap. They are cheap to do. You get a carpenter, they'll come do those little, like, it's just easier. It makes your life run smoothly. Okay, learn the maintenance culture so that you don't have to leave the replacement culture. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for staying tuned till the end, and until I come your way again next week, remain blessed. Bye guys.